it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we're going to be learning how to make magic transforming cubes using puppy photos. Before we jump into the video, of course I want to wish you all a very happy new year. Welcome 2018, and I am so excited to share with you another year of crafty fun. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the transforming cube, you're going to start off by printing the template with the puppies and also the template for the cubes from my website. I'm going to link this to the video description below. It's going to have all the pictures and everything you need to create this project. Now, if you don't have access to a printer or you don't own one, you can always create your own templates and photos as well, which is why I've written down the dimensions for you on this video. So after you've printed out the template, at the very bottom you'll see this T shape full of squares. Now these are 1-inch squares or 2.54 centimeters if you use centimeters. Now let's take a pair of scissors and cut out the T shape. Once you have the T shape, you're just going to fold along the black solid lines like I am doing here. Once you have all the creases made, you are now ready to assemble your cube. I'm just using clear tape by Scotch, and this is my little kitty dispenser, which is really funny because this is a video about puppies. But anyway, you wrap the long edge of the T, and then you're just going to tape it down. And then you just wrap the little two short edges together, tape those down as well. Now for this particular cube, I would actually advise to use more tape than less tape because you want to make sure that your cube is nice and sturdy. Once I've sealed all the sides with my tape, my first cube is completely done, and now you're just going to make 7 more. This next part can get a little tricky, so I am using colorful washi tape, purple, green, and orange that I got from Paper Mart, and I will be using this as sort of a guideline on where to tape to seal everything together. With the orange washi tape, I'll be taping the far right cubes together and also the far left cubes together vertically. Now you want to flip the far right and far left cubes around where the orange tape is, and now you're going to be using your purple tape. With the purple washi tape, I'll be taping the top 2 cubes on the top row on the upper right hand corner horizontally. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing underneath. And now I'm moving over to the upper left hand corner and I'm taping the top 2 on the upper left hand corner horizontally. And also doing the exact same thing right below it. Now I'm flipping the entire thing on the side, and I'm going to take my green washi tape. I'm going to tape the middle 2 cubes together horizontally. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side, so you flip 2 times, and then using my green washi tape, I'm going to tape the 2 center cubes together. So now that everything is taped down, I'm going to flip it back to the purple side again where we started. Now we're going to cut out all of our photos. Of course, I'm using the puppies from my template, but you don't have to use puppy pictures if you don't want to. You can always print out your own pictures as well. So now I'm just taking my square photo, which is 2 inches by 2 inches, and I'm going to mark off the 1-inch mark or the center point of all 4 sides. Once I have those center points marked off, I'm going to draw a line across the center points to create an X, and then I'm going to take my pair of scissors and cut the entire square photo into 4ths. Now I'm going to move on to the rectangular photos, and for the rectangular photos they are 2 inches by 4 inches, so I will be splitting these into 8 equal parts, and so I'm just taking my ruler now and marking off the 1-inch points on the long side and also the short side, and then cutting it into 8ths. once you have all of your photos cut into 1-inch squares, it is time to stick them onto the magic cube. And so I like to use glue dots because there's no drying time for glue dots, but you can use double-sided tape or glue stick, whatever you prefer. So taking one square from the photo at a time, you're going to glue it onto the corresponding cube on your transforming cube. Now that I'm done with the purple side, I'm going to flip the entire thing around and work on the orange side. Now I'm taking the left and right sides and I am folding them back and under. And once you do that, you have 4 empty sides on the side of the cube, and that corresponds to the 4 pictures that you see on the screen. Once you've glued on the last piece of that photo, you're going to flip it back to the way that it was before, which is with the dog with the blue background. You're going to open it up, swing it over to the side, flip it, and then flip it again to reveal 8 more empty squares. And we're going to grab our rectangular picture and then stick it on. Now starting with that dog with the blue background again, you're going to open it up to reveal the rectangular picture, flip it over again to reveal the next rectangular picture, and then open it up to reveal the 4 empty squares, which are going to correspond to your final square photo. Once you've glued on that last piece of your last photo onto the magic cube, you are completely done. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking until the very end of the video. I always appreciate that. Again, I wanted to wish you all a happy new year. Thank you so much for joining me in 2017, and thank you so much for being here today watching in 2018. Anyway, I've got to go now, so I'm going to turn off the camera. But before I, sign off, before you click away, be sure you leave that comment below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Do you want to see more magic cubes? Like, should I make a cat one too? I feel like I have to make a cat one because I made a dog one. It's only fair, right? But anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also a like and all that great stuff that you're supposed to do on YouTube to help YouTubers. Yay! Alright, bye.